Hello, my name is Selena King, and this is the Interactive Advanced Concept number 1 for Chemistry 2. And for this experiment, we needed 3 gummy bears, 2 containers, water, and some salt. So you can see that on the left, it's a normal gummy bear. The second one is the one that was put in water, and the third one was just salt water. So our observations at the end, for the one that was submerged in water for, I believe it was about 8 hours, it was definitely bigger than the original one, and it had a slippery coating on top, whereas the saltwater one, it maybe shrunk a tiny little bit, not as much as I was expecting it to, and in the water, it did have like a filmy white thing as well. So those were our observations, and for this experiment demonstrated osmosis, or which we know it as the movement from a high concentration to a low concentration. And for that experiment, the gummy bears were the thing that had the semi-permeable membrane, and the two types of osmosis that we were able to observe was hypotonic osmosis, which was the gummy bear that was submerged in just regular tap water, whereas the gummy bear that was submerged in salt water demonstrated a hypotonic osmosis. Some errors. So like I said before, I was expecting the saltwater gummy bear to decrease in size a little bit more than it did. And some of the errors that could possibly contribute to this problem would be not saturating the water as much as it should have been. But I did add salt until there was no possible way for the salt to dissolve in the water. So that could be one of the potential errors that happened. So yeah, this was the experiment using gummy bears, and it demonstrated different types of osmosis. So thanks for watching.